Hello everyone, my name is Amy Ranford and welcome to my course walkthrough for ECNI 834. In my course profile, I said that I wanted to create a prep course for high school students entering the trades. When I thought about all the things I wanted my students to learn, Sask Youth Apprenticeship seemed like a good place to start. Sask Youth Apprenticeship aims at teaching students about apprenticeship and working in the skilled trades, and they do that through this passport. So essentially, they've created 12 challenges in 3 different levels where the students fill out and complete the assignment, and in the end, they receive benefits like their first year tuition paid, their registration fee, and they get 300 working hours. So I set my course up into 4 parts. So for Module 1, I completed Part 1 and Part 2, and then for Module 2, I developed Level 2 and Level 3. So in the first part, I have a video explaining what apprenticeship is and what Sask Youth Apprenticeship is, along with an assignment where students take jot notes. The next, I link the SYA contract. So when the students click on this, it takes them directly to the saskapprenticeship.ca website where the students register themselves as somebody who is taking the Sask Youth Apprenticeship program. The next thing I link is the passport, which is this document that I showed you earlier. And it's just important to know that some students find this confusing. So what I did is I broke it into each level and then explained how to complete it. So in my classroom under SYA Level 1, I have a video explaining how to complete Level 1. And it explains, for instance, that Challenge 1 is just listing a practical and applied arts credit that you've taken, such as Welding 10. So you list that with your course instructor and the date that you took it. The second thing that I developed was a research or trade report. So in this project, students will pick a designated trade and they will go through the writing process, doing pre-writing, a rough copy where the students in the class will actually edit on Google Docs to connect each other, and then they will hand in a good copy. The next thing I link is the Young Workers Readiness course. So it actually just takes you to the YWRCC website where you complete the interactive quiz and course. The next thing we do is the apprenticeship and trades discussion. So I've created an Edpuzzle video where students look at a video from the SYA website and they answer questions throughout. So for Module 2, I developed Level 2 and 3. So like I said, there's a how-to video on how to complete Level 2, and then it explains that Challenge 1 is completing or listing a second practical and applied arts credit. So they would list their course, their instructor, and their date again. And then the next thing is an interview with a journey person. So I have students use Zoom in order to connect with a journey person in a trade that they're interested in. And I actually have the journey person provide feedback in order to improve the interview skills of other students. And then we do the 4 basic steps to apprenticeship. In this assignment, students fill out a document stating what the 4 steps are from the Youth Apprenticeship website. And then finally, a web-based exploration where students are taken to different trade-related sites and they answer questions. In Level 3, we have the video on how to complete it. Then apprenticeship terminology, where students study 14 definitions. And I've created a quizzes game that takes their quiz from something like a matching quiz and makes it more interactive and fun in a game. Next, students will complete a work-related work experience. So they will identify a trade that they want to work in, and then they will go to that field. And then after, they will complete a work experience reflection via Flipgrid so that they can tell me what they learned and what it means for their future. After that, students will fill out a Google Doc or a Google form saying where they are so that I can connect them with a career fair. And finally, they will create a Sask Youth Apprenticeship portfolio on myblueprint.ca, and I have a video explaining how to do that. I hope you enjoyed my course walkthrough, and if you find any of this useful, then please contact me. I would love to reach more students. Thanks.